In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use Dsers on Shopify. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about using Dsers on your Shopify store, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Dsers is a powerful tool that streamlines your dropshipping process on Shopify. Let's explore how to utilize its various features effectively. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. Starting on the main page of your Shopify dashboard, head over to the Apps section by scrolling down on the left-hand menu. Search for Dsers, select it, and press Add App. After installation, it'll take you to your Dsers account's main page. Here, you'll find different sections like Home, Reports, Find Suppliers, and more. Each section serves a specific purpose to enhance your dropshipping experience. The Home section offers valuable resources, including a Chrome extension, tutorials, and essential information for your dropshipping business. Moving on to Reports. Ensure you set up currency and time zone preferences for your store. The Find Suppliers section helps you discover products for dropshipping. You can explore trending products, select one, and find suitable suppliers. Utilize the Supplier Optimizer to find the best supplier for your selected product. Analyze various suppliers based on criteria like price, shipping, ratings, and more. Once you've chosen a supplier, import the product to your Shopify store. Copy the link, add it to your import list, and ensure to check the Also Publish Online Store option before pushing it to Shopify. Monitor your imported products under My Products. You can review all the products listed on your Shopify website and check if they're from AliExpress or not. In the Open Orders section, track recent orders placed by your store's customers, including pending orders, awaiting payments, and shipments. The Archived Orders display fulfilled orders. Tracking offers the option to upgrade your Dsers account for providing shipment tracking to customers. Adjust settings and preferences under Settings, Account, and Staff Account. Manage suppliers, connected stores, currency, product settings, pricing rules, and shipping options. Explore orders to make necessary changes and updates to your orders, set package tracking, configure notifications, and synchronize data. Dsers on Shopify is a comprehensive tool enabling efficient management of dropshipping operations, from product selection to order fulfillment and tracking. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. If you found this guide helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide on YouTube. Your support inspires us to create more informative content. Visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com for additional tutorials. Thank you for watching.